Hi everyone, welcome to this week's video. It's Babel from Bengali Cook. Guys, this week I've got an amazing simplified chicken Korai recipe for you. Enjoy the recipe, hit that subscribe and like button. Guys, welcome to this week's video. It's Babel here from the Bengali Cook, and this week guys I'm making a chicken Korai from scratch. This is what I'm going to be having for tea tonight. A bit late, but never mind eh? So, because I'll be getting that. So we're going to use this. I'm going to use 4 chicken thigh. And this has got the bones about 500 grams in there. Right, stay here, please. Okay, don't move. First thing we're going to do, guys, I've got 50 grams of clarified ghee. So again, this is Bengal bird. Thank you very much. So this is the ghee that's going to be going in. Making a chicken Korai is very simple, very traditional dish, but I'm going to put my spin on it. And I've already made my tomato base, so it'll be a lot easier rather than adding the tomato pieces and then waiting for them to soften, all of that sort of stuff. We're going to fry off these chicken pieces. That's gone. Yeah, so that's all cool. There we go. Timer's not working, so we're just going to have to let you know as I cook. First thing we're going to do is just get the chicken nice and crispy. We'll be using basic spices. We've got some haldi powder, we've got some chili powder, we've got some Cumin seed, which is zira powder, coriander, and some black pepper. These are the So guys, it's been about 6 to 7 minutes I've been frying the chicken. Now the chicken is ready. Now at this point, if you want to add fresh ginger and garlic, guys, please do so. And I'm going to add 1 cube of ginger and garlic, cube frozen one. Again, making things much easier. So at this point we're going to add some whole spices. So I've got some bay leaves going in. I've got small sticks of cinnamon sticks, a couple of cardamoms and a couple of cloves in there. So that's going to be a garam masala that's going to go in. What we're doing now is just going to fry off our ginger garlic cube, get the rawness of it to go away. So then the chicken pieces, if you want to use different chicken pieces like I've done previously on other videos, do carry on. Whole chicken, breast cubes, chicken thigh. So just a chicken thigh on the bone. If it wasn't on the bone, I would have just chopped it a bit more smaller pieces, just because the pan's not as big. Now this is, let me just put this low. So as you know, I've been growing a lot of tomatoes in the garden. What I've done is made my own tomato that I'm going to use here. So normally what you would do is you get whole tomatoes, put it in there, wait for it to soften, take the skin off. As we're making it simplified version, guys, I've done this already. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon good 5 that's what we're going to do. Add salt to taste. I'm going to use 1.5 teaspoon of table salt. So you can let this to bubble up. Guys, this ghee smells absolutely good, but absolutely amazing. The ghee smells delicious. Yes. Tomatoes all bubbled up to the top now. We'll add in our spices. Okay, now add in our spice. All the spices will be listed in the description box. I'm going to put a good mix. Leave the heat on medium to high. Ooh, look at that. The aroma coming out, guys, so good. The ghee, the garam masala, the spices, top. Black pepper is going to give it the heat as well, so I've not added too much. Chicken Korai is more of a dry dish. I'm cooking for 2 today, so myself and this is. There you go. So you can see now the oil has separated, with the spice has separated. As it on this way. See that? And you know now the spice is cooked well. Look at that, guys. Absolutely fantastic. Get some green chillies in there. Coriander. Okay guys, I'm just going to add some water in here because I want to have a more sauce on the curry. So if that's what you want, add a bit more water in there, warm water, and let that cook. Okay, get the lid back on guys, add some coriander and so forth, lid back on and let it simmer for 5 to 6 minutes. Okay. Leave it on simmer on low heat for the last 5 minutes guys, then we're done. I'm just going to sprinkle it with some just a tiny bit of right, so there we go, that is all done. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Give it a quick turn, mix it about a bit. And that is our chicken Korai done guys. Enjoy the recipe and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.